Hello everyone, this is Surya and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and share my thoughts and review about the Infinity WYND 300 earphones that I have purchased a long back 3 months ago. Not a long back, but 3 months ago. I'm using with the setup with the iPhone dongle, which is 3.5mm Lightning adapter, and I'm using iPhone 13. So let's get started. So before going to the review, I would like to say about my music taste, that how I listen to the music. I really like trebles. I give priority to trebles and then vocals and then bass. I like hearing clarity music. I need headphones which gives the clarity output. So every instrument should be played in that earphones. So let's start with the pros. Infinity WYND 300. Let's talk about the number one pro in this WYND 300 earphones is the treble. I like the trebles of this headphones. Every instrument is very clear, very, you can listen to the music pleasantly without any distortion in the bass, where the bass gets involved to the vocals and vocals may emphasize the trebles. So there is a balanced sound. I like the balanced sound very much. So the treble quality is top notch in this Infinity WYND 300. Talk about the vocals. Vocals are crisp vocals. So I have listened to many genres of the music. Every singer vocals is very clear, and you can have a great experience with the vocals. So let's talk about the bass. Indians like more bass in the headphones we use. So let me explain the bass in these earphones very clearly. So the bass in these headphones the bass is up to the point, not over exaggerating bass, I would say. The correct bass, correct instrument bass, kick, snare, like that. Every bass instrument can be listened through these headphones. Missing part of these headphones is the sub bass, which is boomy sound, vibrations. Sub bass is not up to the mark, but also don't like sub bass in these headphones. This kind of headphones, I only main focus on the treble, vocals and the bass. The bass, vocals, trebles are very much balanced so that you can listen to the music. Let me clear you, these headphones truly made for hardcore music listeners who loves to listen the balanced output from their headphones, who like pretty much very clarity sound, balanced output, not over bass, not over vocals, not over trebles. It is very much balanced. And let's talk about the output also. The output in these headphones is very good, and you can have a great output from these headphones, and also so the output is very good in these headphones. So let's talk about the cons that I have faced in these headphones. The number one con is this build quality. The wire comes in a flat flat design. The build quality is not that bad, but also not that great. So it can be tangled easily, and detangle can be done easily. But the earphones may look delicate to your usage, so you should be very careful to not handling these earphones roughly, so you can use smoothly and this will last for long. Second con, which I usually may ignore in these headphones, is the sub bass. As we discussed, the bass is very clear, very up to the point, and the sub bass, which we hear in a lot of other headphones, wired headphones, is missing in this headphones. But that is not my concern. I even don't very much focused on the sub bass, but I like bass, vocals, trebles. It is very much balanced output, and the output is also very good from these headphones, and you can listen to the music very much as long as you can. It packs very quite good actually. I would definitely recommend these headphones to the music lovers, hardcore music lovers, so that they can enjoy the balanced output from these. And I would definitely recommend these headphones, and I like these are one of my favorite headphones that I have listened through this duration. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this WYND 300 headphones. Hope you like this video. Do like the video if you like my review, my honest opinion on these headphones, and please subscribe to my channel.